Hi traders. Okay, basically in this video, I'm going to introduce to you a guide that I've written. It took me several months to write this guide on Forex trading. And this book is called Effective Guide to Forex Trading. And it's now available at Amazon Kindle store for $299. $299. Okay, so the whole purpose of this video, right, is to tell you more about this book, what is the content about, so that you guys have a better understanding before you actually go and purchase it. Okay, so I bet most of you must be interested to know this guidebook is actually suitable for who. Okay, it's basically suitable for new traders as well as experienced traders who are still struggling in their trading. Okay, I know some people who have been in Forex trading for about 9 months to a year, but still struggling in your trades because you can't make money consistently. And that's basically the purpose of this book. Okay, it's actually showcase all the important trading information in one book. Okay, basically there's a lot of information, okay, available everywhere, okay, as well as what candlestick patterns, all this thing. There's a lot of candlestick patterns, can go up to hundreds different candlestick patterns, and a lot of indicators as well. But what I'm doing here in this book is that I just screen out those that are important, basically those that I am using in my trading. I will not be using 100 indicators, of course. I focus on a few very reliable indicators that I'm using, as well as a few very reliable candlestick patterns, so that you guys just focus on it and you can make money consistently in Forex. Okay, that's the whole purpose of this guide, is to make sure that you guys, after reading it, you're able to make constant extra income for yourself consistently. Okay, so let's go through the key content of the book. Okay, the book consists of a part called How to Select the Right Time Frame to Trade. Okay, and this is very important because I have questions from readers on my blog asking me which time frame should they look at. Because for new traders, right, when they open the chart, they do not even know what time frame to look at. There's hourly chart, 4-hour chart, 15-minute charts, 1-minute chart, 5-minute charts. So it's very important for you to know which time frame is suitable for you, and that's the purpose. That's what I've written in this guidebook. Secondly, important candlestick patterns, like I said earlier on. Okay, there's a lot, up 100 over different candlestick patterns, but not all of them are equally important. And in fact, you can't memorize all of them in your mind when trading. So what happened here is I'm going to show you those that I'm using in my trading that constantly comes out and very effective, okay, in this guidebook, so that you can also just memorize this few and trade with them. Okay, next I'll teach you how to identify important support and resistance level, which is a very important point in trading. Okay, as well as several key Forex indicators that I'm using. Similarly here, because there's a lot of indicators in the market, but you can't use them all. Okay, so I'm going to show you the few that I'm actually using, I'm always using, to make sure that you also know how to use them in your trading. And most importantly, this guidebook comes with 2 reliable Forex strategy that can make you consistent income. Initially, when I'm writing this book, right, I thought of just adding in 1 Forex strategy. But since it's my first book, I decided to give it all. So I write actually 2 Forex strategies that are very reliable, and I will recommend all of you to try it out. Okay, you can definitely make consistent income from this 2 Forex strategy. Just basically practice it, okay, according to what I've written in the book. You'll definitely be able to make consistent income. Okay, and I hope actually to receive email from you guys if you are actually making income from this book, from this 2 strategy, and I'll be very happy. Okay, and the last part of the book, right, comes with a proper money management. Is to tell you the importance of risk-reward ratio and how you should manage your trades. Okay, which is very important. Okay, so let's go through some content, right? Okay, this part here is extract from the book. Okay, this is the time frame selection book. Okay, section of the book. I'll show you which time frame is suitable for you. I tell you, like on the 4-hour chart, okay, every 4 hours the chart will produce 1 candle, and 1 day is 24 hours, produce 6 candles, and therefore they only make small changes every day on a 4-hour chart. And who is suitable to trade this 4-hour chart? Okay, and who is suitable to trade the 15-minute charts? Who is suitable to trade the hourly chart? And from there, you will know whether which time frame suits you. So every time you open a chart, you know which time frame to look at. So that's very important. Okay, next I'll show you the important candlestick patterns. Okay, basically the candlestick patterns, right, there's 2 main types: continual patterns as well as reversal patterns. So I'm going to show you 2 different types of continuation and reversal patterns. And these are the one that is most important, that I find very useful. They come out most of the time and they are very reliable. Okay, in this chapter I will show you that. Okay, In the next chapter, right, I'll show you more indicators. I'll introduce to you indicator that I'm using, and I'll go through very detailed how to use this indicator. Okay, this part here is also extract from the book. I show you the interaction MACD indicators, how it looks like, and later on I'll teach you how to use the MACD indicator. What are the different features of this indicator? There's a lot of ways you can use the MACD indicator. Okay, and you must know how to make use of it. Okay, that's very important. Okay, besides that, actually this extract again from the book on the support and resistance part. Okay, this one I show you that if you take a look at the trading chart, right, you find that the price is moving in waves. You find they actually move in waves. Can you see that? They move in waves. So what actually caused them to move in waves? If you take a close look, right, it's basically support and resistance. When it hit the support, okay, you see hit the support, it moves up. Hit the resistance, it moves down. So the key here is teaching you how to identify support and resistance level that are powerful, the most important. Okay, so besides this is the part that most of you will be very, very interested in. It's a two reliable Forex strategy. So before I actually start teaching you the strategy, I talk about a few things. I must straighten out, there's no holy grail. Same thing I must emphasize here is that this two strategy will not win 100% of the time. And in fact, there's no strategy that wins 100% of the time. This is one thing that you have to know. Okay, but the key thing for this strategy is that it has a winning accuracy of 60 to 70%, which means that out of 10 trades you can win about 6 to 7 times. And the best thing is that it has a very, very good risk-reward ratio of at least 1:2. And with this, right, trust me, you're going to make consistent income month after month. All you need to do is just practice it on demo account until you're able to execute well. You'll definitely make money from this strategy. Okay, this two strategy that I'm adding here is a very, very powerful strategy. And in the two strategy part, right, I actually add in small notes, okay, that I figure out after years of trading this two strategy. Small things that you don't get to find outside. But no book has written this content before. This two strategy, right, is I've added in some small parts. Okay, I can't tell too much about this strategy, but I tell you later on when you get this book, when you read through the book, especially in the strategy part, I can tell you parts whereby things you have to take note about this strategy. It actually took me years to figure this out, okay, which is very, very reliable. With this thing, right, you can avoid getting into losing trades, which is the most powerful thing of this strategy. Okay, so besides this, right, okay, another good thing about this book, okay, is that it comes with a lifetime updates. Okay, once you purchase this book, you just have to finish reading it, and on the last page of the book, scroll to the last page, there will be a link, okay, a link that you click on. Once you click on the link, then once you click on the link, right, what happens is that you bring you to a page whereby you can register. Once you're registered, every time there's an update to the book, or there's a new edition, new revisions, new revision to the book, I'll send a copy to you guys so that you guys don't have to buy it again. Okay, there's no point paying $2.99 for just a small edition here and there or new chapters. Okay, I'll make sure that you guys get it for free. It's a lifetime updates. Okay, so all you have to do now is to grab a copy of this guide today at Amazon Kindle Store, and when you go to Kindle Store, this is how it looks like. Okay, Effective Guide to Forex Trading, and this is the book basically, selling at $2.98. Okay, so all you have to do is just click on the link below. Okay, in this video at the bottom here, there's a link there. You just click on it, you bring you to Amazon Store, Kindle Store, and then you can just purchase this book. Okay, so besides that, if you're interested to find out more about me and my trading style, you can actually go to forexindicator.org. This is the blog that I've been maintaining for years. And for the time being, that's all I have for you. I'll talk to you again.